So welcome to Park Inn by Radisson. This hotel is located in Amsterdam City West, and the hotel is kind of in this mixed-use Ven complex. So there's also a casino here, there are conference rooms here. I stayed in this hotel, so let's go inside and see what this hotel has to offer. There are these cool plants and trees outside the hotel, and there's also a fountain. Here we are walking inside the hotel, and then you go to the right and this is where reception is. There are staff on reception, but there's also self-check-in desks if you want to check in on the computers, and you can even make your own card key. So here are the other check-in desks. The hotel has won an award for being a safe and premium hotel. Over here there's also a water dispenser, and now let's make our way to the room. There's a glass elevator which you can see there going up. In the lift there's a map showing you all the key sites to check out in Amsterdam. And I stayed in room 660, which was on the 6th floor. So let's go inside the room. Okay, so the room is fairly open plan, and we have a bed there in the corner, we have a small sofa, and then to the right we have a desk. They've provided an espresso coffee machine, a kettle, and they've provided teas and coffees, which you can see here. The TV is by LG, and then over here we have a wardrobe. And here you can find a safe, there's 2 gowns there, and there is a mini fridge. They've also given 2 shoe shine kits. There's a small bench there as well. There's a pretty cool floor lamp here. Interestingly, this hotel, all the rooms and the hotel decoration itself is designed by Egyptian architect called Karim Rashid, who's quite well known, and his style is kind of like a colourful theme, which you can clearly see here. We've got an orange and yellow themed bathroom with these small miniature tiles. And this is the shower. They've also given a vanity kit and a shower cap there. I think we'll just check out the view from outside. There we go. So you can't really see much. You can see the road ahead and you can see the train tracks there as well. Okay, so we're back down near reception. There's some massage chairs there. This is the restaurant called The Den. You can get dinner here, and also breakfast is served here in the mornings. So breakfast is in like a buffet format. So let me show you what's available for breakfast. So this is what was on offer for breakfast. So just next to the den there is also a small 24-hour shop which doesn't have any staff. You just pick your item, scan it and then pay for it using your card. I mentioned the glass elevator at the beginning of the video, so here we are in the glass elevator. And the last thing to note is the hotel also has a 24-hour gym. So you need your card key to access it, but in this gym there are some cardio machines. So we have 2 exercise bikes, 2 cross trainers, we have 2 treadmills there as well, and we also have a rowing machine. Over here we have some yoga balls, some medicine balls, some kettlebells, we have a cable machine, and we have plenty of free weights and 2 benches as well. So there's lots of equipment that you can use for a hotel gym. I would say it's fairly decent. And that's pretty much everything for the hotel. So it's in the Ven Centre, which has mixed use. There's a casino here, there's meeting rooms here, and we also have parking. So let me know what you think of this hotel. If you have any questions, leave a comment in the comment section below. And thanks for watching.